I will tell you how to prepare for preliminaries in respect of current affairs, but the principles will apply for the rest of the preliminaries also. How to answer questions, that I will tell you. In the case of mains, you are supposed to give descriptive answers. You have to write short essays, so about 200 words, 150 words, depending on the varies from year to year, but generally it is about 200 words. So, to write an essay in 200 words is not an easy thing. If you are asked to write an essay in 5 pages, you can write without much difficulty. But to make it in 200 words needs a lot of preparation. It is not as easy as writing even in the case of making a speech. Once Harry Truman, who was the president of America, he was asked a question, and how much time you need to prepare a speech. He said, if it is a speech for 5 minutes, I need a week's preparation. If it is for half an hour, I need 2 days preparation. But if you ask me to make a speech for 1 hour, I am ready. That is it. So, to write an essay in 5 pages, 10 pages, 20 pages, all of you are capable of doing it. You do not need much of a, of course, you need preparation, but you do not have to do the structuring of it, because you can start writing and then structure will come. But when you write an essay in 200 words, you have to ensure that you do not miss out any important point. But at the same time, this space limitation is there. So, you have to practice that. That is the secret of getting good marks in mains. About preliminary, I will tell you later. And coming to interview, you are supposed to the first 2 stages test your knowledge. So, they do not have to test your knowledge a third time, but they are testing your personality. That is why it is called personality test. So, when your personality is being tested, personality contains so many things. I will tell you when I discuss the preparation for interview, I will tell you in detail. Okay. Now, 2013 examination, preliminary, there were only 3 questions of current affairs out of 100. In 2014, there were 7 questions on current affairs. 2015, there were about 12 or 15 questions, but when it came to 2016, there were 48 questions out of 100 on current affairs. So, gradually the importance of, I do not think it will go beyond that, but it will be around 40 to 50% will be current affairs. Even questions on economics or history, or not history, economics, political science or geography, most of these subjects also, environmental science, the questions which are asked in preliminaries these days are current affairs. So, you have to do, if you have textbook knowledge, if you have prepared the textbook of any of these subjects, you may not be able to do well in preliminaries. How many questions were there last time in current affairs? You had already done it.
I don't remember exactly, so maybe around 20 or 25. But all the other questions.
But other questions are also related to current affairs. See, current affairs per se, that is the test, when we say current affairs, it is what you read in the newspapers. That may be about 20, 25, but even questions on environmental science, questions on geography, questions on political science, questions on economics, all these international relations, all these questions, they won't ask from the textbook. They will ask from whatever is happening around, whatever is happening in recent times. So, reading newspapers is very important. When you read newspapers, you only don't restrict it to reading news, you have to read the magazine section also. Okay, I will talk to you about that later on.